Hello, my name is Dee with DJ Designs. I'm the owner, operator, and designer for DJ Designs. Today is a tutorial on how to make earrings using strips of fabric and your laser cutter. Okay? And I did get my inspiration from Sharika Original Designs. She has an awesome YouTube channel that has tutorials on unique earrings. You will be highly motivated when you watch her channel. I did use this using strips of fabric, and this is the board that I use cutting with my laser cutter. But you can use your own imagination. This is what I came up with. Okay, let's get started. What I did was I did cut strips, I'd say about an inch or maybe smaller than an inch. And I used a ruler to cut the strips so they could be even. And basically I used my quilting ruler and my rotary cutter to cut strips, and this is what I did. Okay, all right, I pre-cut some strips for this video, and I'm going to I use Aleene's tacky glue. I have very good luck when using Aleene's tacky glue. Although there's other types of glue you can use, this is the one that I find works best for me. And I'm just doing a portion of the board because this glue, so the glue won't dry as I'm doing, because I want to do the whole board. And I want to do a pattern because when I cut earrings, I want to have the repeat pattern. Okay. And I'm using a rag to spread the glue. I used to use a brush, but I would forget to clean the brush and it would get ruined or get too stiff. And this works best for me. I can just discard the rag once I'm finished. They're just old t-shirts, spoiled t-shirts that I didn't use. And basically that's all you do. And you might want to add a little more for the overlap. And this is all you're doing. And I have some kind of pattern. This is a pattern that I'm using. And this basically is leftover strips from projects that I had. So, and I'm going to go through the whole thing, the whole board, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm coming down to the end, and I'm creating a pattern because I'm doing earrings and I'd like to have the same effect when I'm doing the matching earrings. Do like that, and one more strip should do it. There's no rhyme or reason how to do this. You can do it or use the color strips however you please, however your imagination takes you. Okay. All right, we got this all completed. We're going to let it dry a little bit and we'll take it to the laser cutter. Before I take it to the cutter, what I normally do is just cut the excess off so it won't interfere with the designs as I'm placing the designs. It gives it a nice, clean finish. Okay. All right, we're ready for the laser. I decided before I was going to cut it that I wanted to add some metallic gold paint to go with the highlights in the fabric. And it gives it like an antique-y finish. So this is something I decided to do at the last minute. I like the touch. I like the way it's coming out. Need a little more here. And this is metallic paints from Deco Art, and I did get this from Hobby Lobby, of course. And basically all I'm doing is randomly taking my paintbrush and sliding it across to give it an antique finish. I thought that was going to be a nice touch. Okay. All right. Now, I promise we're going to take it to the laser. Okay. Looking good. First set. got the round ones. Nice. Nice. No burn marks. Okay, I did use the two-part resin to do the epoxy over the earrings. And I'm glad I did add that extra paint, because look at the, I don't know if you can see it, but it shimmers, that metallic paint, and it does give it a nice finish, a nice touch. Okay. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is paint the backs. And I usually like to do a contrasting color. And in this square one, I'm going to do it in black. Okay. And I'll just paint this, and I'll do the other one. And then I'll come back, and then we'll do the round ones. Okay, we're gonna do this design in like a bronzy, it's called espresso. And once again, I used the Deco Art metallic, and this is rich espresso. Okay, and we'll just paint the back. And I'll just do one so you could get an idea, the coordination of the colors. And we're gonna also do the sides to have it complete so the earring can look professional. I use this color a lot. Actually, I had bought it by mistake looking for gold, but I wound up really liking this. And you can probably use just one coat, but 2 coats is even better. Okay, I'll do the rest and I'll come back when I'm finished. Okay, next we're going to do the sides, and this gives it a professional look. A nice finish to the earrings, and I'm using a coordinating color. It's a bronze. This is a metallic paint marker. I did get this in Hobby Lobby, but any metallic paint marker will do. But I'm going to paint the sides, give it a nice clean finish. And I will be back. And it'll be time to put. Okay, I put one of the earring wires on. It is a larger antique style. I did get this in Hobby Lobby as well. And these I got on Amazon. They're nice and thick. I like the quality of these, and I'll put a link in the description. It's very easy to use these type of hooks. And basically all you do is squeeze them. And I'll put a link in the description and the name of it. I can't think of the name of it as well. So very easy. And I do have on my channel how to make these cards as well. That looks pretty nice. Okay. And these I'm going to put a post in. So I just laid it there so you can see how it looks, the finished product. And these are nice and large. I really do like these. I haven't found them anywhere else but Hobby Lobby. And they're nice when you have these bigger earrings. So I'll just get that on there like that. Okay, that looks really nice. I really like the way that came out. The metallic paint did add a extra touch to that. So I really do like the way this came out. Oh, and the paint that I used is the Folk Art Multi-Service Satin. You literally only need 1 coat of this paint. It'll last you forever. I really do like that paint. I'm sure you probably can find this on Amazon. as well as Hobby Lobby, and I'll put a link for that as well. Okay, this will conclude this tutorial on how to make earrings using your fabric strips. If you like this video, please like and consider subscribing. It does help my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.